Hey, I'm going to show you guys this device called ANC, which stands for Adjustable Noise Control. It's a noise control device. And you can adjust the amount of unwanted background noise if you want more or less. It's really high tech. So when you're running your spirit box, you hear a lot of this background noise. It sounds like just like a bunch of awful, nasty, fuzzy noise until you're actually on a radio station. So what this does, it filters it out and it gives you more clarity, so you're not hearing all that fuzziness. So I'm going to show you how this works. Hopefully I can do this with two hands. Okay, so first thing is I'm going to turn the spirit box on. I'm not going to put the antenna out.
Scanning FM.
Okay, so right now, let's turn the volume down. It's running through the FM channels, okay? Then I'm going to try to do this with one hand here, okay? Okay, so I plug one end into my my audio in, which is actually my headphones. So it goes into the headphones there. And then I'm going to go to my audio output, or I'm sorry, audio input, which goes to, this is going to be, the audio input. So it's going to go, let me set this down for a minute. Okay, sorry about that. I had to set the phone down, because it's kind of hard to hold the phone and do this at the same time. So now I got the box connected to my audio in, okay? The last thing is, I'm going to take this, this is actually a speaker device, excuse me. So I'm going to turn this on, this switch, now that's on. And this is going to be plugged into my audio output, which is, so that goes in that hole right there, okay? So, let's see here. All right, and then now I'm going to turn the box on. There's a switch. Okay, now, you hear it's real noisy right now, right? Turn the volume down a little bit. Okay, whoops, that's too much. So you can hear how noisy that is. Now watch what happens. Give it a few taps. So now, see how that noise is now filtered out? So that little red light comes on. That means that you're very close to the maximum you're going to filter out. So now you can just hear it's still scanning, but it's a lot clearer now, okay? So, and if you want more noise, you just hit this green button. Hit that a few times. And there we go, back to the noise again. So now I'm going to decrease the noise. Okay. Now, can you guys hear how much clearer the sound is? So I'm running the spirit box. I can ask questions without having to compete with this thing making a bunch of nasty noise. So it's really, really pretty cool. I'm not sure how that's going to work with our spirit box. I mean, actually, it's going to work fine because, truthfully, we don't need to connect it to all that other stuff that's got too many bells and whistles. So right now, like I said, it's just scanning through the waves, and it'll actually blink when it's picking up something too. Look, you'll get like a little blink. So see, like I guess when it changes, when it goes to a different change, you'll see it blink. So that's really pretty cool. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that.